What's happening, guys? We are in the highlands of Iceland today. We just wrapped up an incredible 4-day drone workshop here, and me and my friend Parker are just staying a little bit longer. We rented an off-road vehicle and we're just spending some time exploring the highlands. The workshop was such a blast, and I'll talk a little bit more about that if you do want to join the next trip in between flights. So the first thing I'm gonna do is lock in my settings. If you guys are curious what settings I do use, I'll link a video right here where I go over all my best Avata settings. So first thing I'm gonna do is go over to this volcanic crater. Looks really, really cool. This area is so beautiful. Little cargo in there. So there's a couple different spots I want to hit on this flight. And the first one is obviously this little cone. So I'm gonna flip around, fly over that, and then there's a little ridgeline that I want to hit. I'm gonna dive this, get some altitude. Sweet, pretty happy with that. And then I'm gonna do this little ridgeline and then come back over our heads. We got super lucky with the weather on this trip. Honestly, it should be absolutely terrible weather, but it's really nice right now. All right, gonna come back and dive this. And then what I'm gonna do next, we'll see if I have the battery for it. But the plan is to just go along this whole ridgeline and kind of get over to that peak over there. And as you guys will notice, when I face the sun, the sky's gonna be a little bit overexposed. It's just kind of tough flying directly into the sun, but to get the shots I want, I have to go that direction. Crazy lava fields here. And I'm pretty hopeful that I will be able to get up to the top of this. Sometimes the Avata height limit is kind of limiting and you can't get to the top of certain features, but I'm pretty sure I can make it up this one. Yeah, looks like we'll be totally fine here. I just can't believe how nice of weather conditions we're getting. This area is usually just completely socked in with clouds. Right over there is a place called Landmannalaugar, which is a really epic hiking base camp. And you can hike all the way over there to a place called Thorsmork. Battery, we're looking good. Just gonna check out where we are. Wow, this is really pretty. Okay, so I really like these sharp rocks here. So what I'm gonna do is try to dive around this little area and then down over to the lava fields. tilt my tilt angle a little bit higher to go faster. There's a nice little gap to hit right here. Let's see if we can hit it. Nice. Just above 50% battery, so I'm gonna start making my way back. Get a few shots over this lava field before I do, though. So I'm gonna dive this ridge on the way back. But first, I'm just gonna get a ton of altitude and do a nice dive down the whole thing. Wow, this area is so pretty. So while I go up, I'm gonna do a big 360. So sick. All right, coming back down. I don't know if you guys just noticed, the color temperature sort of changed a little bit, and the reason for that is I forgot to lock my white balance. So it's gonna look a little bit blue for a second, and I'm gonna fix that mistake on the next flight. But as I said, like, if you are interested in learning all of the best settings for the Avata 2, I'll link that video. All right, that was a sick flight. Now I think we're gonna head to a different location for the second flight. But like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, we just got done with an amazing 4-day drone workshop where basically 8 people came out and we just took them around to all of the best drone flying spots in Iceland. And it was such an amazing experience. Some people are interested in the business side of flying drones. Some people came just to kind of hang out and see Iceland, and it was just an amazing group of people. So if you are interested in joining the next Iceland drone workshop, there's a link in the description below and you can join the wait list. Other than that, gonna pack everything away and then head to the next location. All right, so we were at the next location. We actually came up here last night and it was just like windy as hell, so we definitely couldn't fly. So we ended up staying at a little hot spring nearby, camped out there. Now it's morning time and we're back up at this spot. It's basically just this massive like crater lake with these cool green mountains around. So my basic plan is to fly up to the top of the mountain on the left and then dive back down over the lake. It is actually so cold right now. I think it's -2 and my fingers are dying slowly. bit windy up there, but not too bad. I think it'll be nice to do a nice circle around the summit of this mountain. Basically, now that I'm at the top, it's probably going to be super windy up there, but I'm just going to kind of circle the summit. Wow. It's really pretty. That's where we are. Alright, so now I'm going to come dive straight down this side. Nice contrast. I'm not flying my absolute best right now because my hands are absolutely frozen. Now I'm gonna go into the crater and then up around the other side. Gosh, it's so windy right now. My fingers are dying. But I have to continue the shot. That's sick. Okay, so that's a really nice angle there. So I'm gonna get some height, come up here, and then go back towards that. You can see over there, there's some red volcanic cones. Also would be a really fun spot to fly. Might need to amputate my fingers after this flight. Oh yeah, right there. Let's see, right there. This is such a nice shot. I'm gonna go back a little bit further and try to dive the crater. The wind is like really pushing me, that's why I haven't yet. Okay. Should be good. All right. And then, to be honest, even though I have a little bit more battery, I am gonna land. My fingers are absolutely frozen right now. Oof. I might have to chop off my fingers after that flight. It was so cold, but insanely sick. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you do want to color grade your footage exactly like you see here on this channel, I'll leave a link down in the description below for my LUTs. That's it. I'm getting back in the car. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.